That's not good for our microphone.
I know.
It's like
that sounded good.
It's like please.
That sounded really good. Hey, buddy.
What's up? I'm Elijah Alvarez. I'm a noise musician at NYU. I feel like noise music it's very like ambient. It's something you can just listen to while you're like sitting on the bus, staring out the window.
So why do you record in the bathroom?
Because the acoustics are way better. I just turn on my laptop, have my headphones on, it's like mash on like the synthesizer. You can do... I plug my drum machine into this bad boy. It's a Korg Monotron delay. I got it for $10 at a thrift store, and it really changes things. It's crazy. Okay, I'm so sorry. I have to grab...
You need new batteries? What happened?
I left it on.
No.
Or like... Are they locked?
What do you mean?
Like the batteries, like are they locked behind like a cage?
I don't know.
Why, are you trying to steal
them?
Yo, what happened?
I got the batteries.
What?
I have the little plane.
You stole a plane?
Yeah.
No.
Oh my god.
And everyone on Reddit is saying like it'll just stop like randomly.
Well, this guy said monotrons die if you forget to turn them off, and the batteries are allowed to drain all the way.
It's like the loss of like your little baby.
This is the main guy. This isn't the baby. This is the king. You can get one on eBay for $20. I'll just pretend like it's the same. Oh my god, $20 shipping. Damn. Sorry. I just think of little stories while I'm like making them, or if I'm coming up with like a song title, I'll like, ooh, this sounds like a guy that stepped on gum. I used to swim on like a high school team.
A swim boy to a noise boy.
My teammates all hated me, so it kind of makes sense.
So what do your roommates do like if they want to use the bathroom and you're here?
We don't shower.